What is an example of an unsecured loan? Finding specific information about fast unsecured loans might not be easy, but we have gathered very helpful and relevant information about the general subject matter with the ultimate aim of assisting you out. Even if your search is about other fast unsecured loans, information such as cash advances, unsecured personal loans, loans rates, or even loan unsecured checks, credit no UK, this video will prove very helpful without saying a lot. A bad credit score used to make it impossible for individuals and families to borrow money for home and car financing. Today there are several companies which not only give individuals with bad credit unsecured debt but actually cater to people who have extremely low credit scores. Online lenders have got an edge over the traditional lenders who used to take advantage of the borrower's circumstances by charging a higher rate of interest. With the entry of online lenders in the finance market, the loan process has been simplified for the convenience of borrowers. You can apply for the loan anytime and from anywhere with a computer equipped with internet. You just need to fill in a small application form online and the lender will contact you with the loan offers that match up with your individual circumstances to the best. Unsecured debt consolidation credits are credits for you when you want to get rid of your debts and cover up your bad credit history without risking your property. As a result, go for unsecured debt consolidation credits and get to feel like the freedom-like bird in the open sky. You should forget that if this video hasn't provided you with exact fast unsecured loans information, you can use any of the main search engines on the internet like Ask.com to find the exact fast unsecured loans information you need. Consolidating debt through an unsecured credit is one of the main purposes of unsecured debt. Especially for tenants and in general non-homeowners, eliminating debt by means of an unsecured credit is the most common way of doing it. As debt keeps growing, bills keep piling up. A solution to this financial menace needs to be found without delay. Default and bankruptcy are not an uncommon result of financial troubles, and their consequences are dreadful. It is very difficult for someone who is in debt to repay with his own resources without generating more debt in the future. This is known as the vicious circle of debt. Unsecured debt is a great opportunity to avoid the effects of this situation while at the same time reducing debt in order to get debt-free in a short time. The lender is taking a greater risk than the borrower when granting an unsecured credit due to lack of collateral. To compensate for this risk, unsecured debts have a much higher rate of interest, anywhere from 5 to 30 usually. If the borrower has good credit history and a dependable repayment term, are usually 6 months up to 10 years. The average amount credited is $5,000 to $25,000. Suppose you want to start a small business but you are not sure that it will be successful. If you have a family with young children, it would be very risky to secure your property against the credit. In such a case, unsecured debt may be safer for you and for your family. It is true that getting approval of unsecured credit is difficult. Even so, if you have spotless credit history, you should not hesitate to apply for unsecured debt. Generally, unsecured debts are available for anyone with a stable income and decent credit history. Many people that searched for fast unsecured loans also searched online for bad credit auto loan, unsecured small business loan, and even cheap homeowner loans.